Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Ramzan Ishtiaq, Assistant Commissioner IRS, and the purpose of today's video is to let you guys know that what actually is the purpose of this channel and let you know about CSS exam. First let me tell you that CSS is the exam which is held by FPSC every year, and this is also known as competitive exam. Many people do not know what actually is CSS. So many people ask me that what actually is CSS, and they say that whether it is a course like people do in universities and colleges, and I tell them that no, this is not a course, it is actually an exam conducted by FPSC. तो बहुत सारे लोग ये नहीं जानते कि सी एस एस एक्चुअली एक कंपेटिटिव एग्ज़ाम है जिसमें किसी किस्म का एडमिशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. यू गाइज जस्ट हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द एग्ज़ाम एंड इन अक्टूबर you guys apply for the CSS. So first let me tell you about the process of CSS so that you guys must know that how to proceed for CSS exam and the subphases of CSS. First of all, you guys have to prepare for the exam. There are total 12 subjects, 6 are the optional subjects and the 6 are the compulsory subjects. Compulsory subjects includes English essay, English comprehension, Pakistan affair, current affair, Islamiyat and general science and ability. While on the other hand जो optional हैं उसमें आपके पास बहुत सारी वैरायटी होती है. You guys have to choose from the given groups that which subject you are going to opt. The most initial problem many people face is the subject selection. They do not actually know that which subject they should choose. तो इसके लिए इसके बाद मैं एक दूसरा आपके लिए वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा जिसमें आपको मैं बताऊँगा कि हाउ टू चूज़ your optional subjects. So first let me complete the phases that you have to undergo while going through the CSS exam. The first phase is that you apply for the CSS examination which FPSC announces every October. So आप अप्लाई करते हैं, उसके बाद you guys have to wait for almost 3 or 4 months, and in every coming Feb you guys have to appear for the written exam. Written is the most crucial part of the CSS journey because it consists of 1200 marks out of total 1500 marks. So अगर आप written में अच्छा स्कोर कर जाते हैं तो you guys can compensate it with the interview. अगर आप interview में you score less than average and you have more score in the written, then you guys can compensate. So written is the most important part of the CSS journey, so you guys have to pay attention to the written part. And the next phase is that in the coming September or October, FPSC announces the result of the written exam. The passing ratio for CSS is quite low, and I will let you know in another video that why passing ratio is quite low for CSS written exam. After CSS written result, you guys will have to go through the medical and psychological examination. In medical examination you will have to fulfill the basic criteria for your medical fitness, like eyesight, like your height to weight ratio, but this is not much important. Phase is psychological examination. You guys will have to go through psychological examination for 2 days. First will be the written psychological examination on the day 1, and on day 2 there will be verbal psychological examination. जो verbal psychological examination होता है, it consists of your command task, your 2-minute speech, your debate. It could be in English or Urdu. उसके बाद the final phase is your interview with the panel, FPSC panel. This is also an important phase because it consists of 300 marks out of total 1500 marks, and it can change your merit. So this is the layout of CSS. So in the coming videos I will let you know about my journey of CSS and also the myths related with the CSS. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.